Alright guys, having a little bit of difficulty trying to get this live video going. I think this is the fourth time I've tried it. But wanted to introduce you guys to a book I've been reading. It's called Profit First. Let me give you a look at it here. So this is Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. Real easy read. I bought it a couple weeks ago, probably read it in a week. Just reading, for about 30 minutes to an hour each night. Basic premise of the book is this. He kind of flips accounting on its head to a certain extent. He says sales minus profit equal expenses. Normally when you're reading a profit and loss statement, you would say what top line revenue sales minus expenses equals your profit. But he changes that. And basically what he's trying to do is get you in the habit or create a behavior in such a way that you say every deposit I make, a percentage of it literally goes to a separate bank account that I call my profit account. And he prescribes other bank accounts that you can use for various other functions like taxes and owner's compensation. But that's the general premise, that every deposit you make, you should have a profit built into it. You put it into a separate bank account and you do not touch it. So it's kind of like Dave Ramsey meets business financial planning. Really cool tool. I'm actually implementing this in my business just to see if it has some effects on my behavior and how I operate and how I look at the money I deposit and then set aside literally to not be spent. So what you end up having is sales minus profit equals expenses. What that means is the remainder is what you have left to spend on your expenses. So if you know anything about Parkinson's law, which basically says the resources you have are what you'll use, if you only have what's left in your operating account to spend, that's all you can spend, right? Assuming you don't borrow money. So kind of a really cool behavior modification technique to kind of fight your natural tendencies. But like I said, I'm implementing this. I thought this might be helpful. If you've done this before or implemented something like this or even read the book, shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm really interested to see how it works for our business. I hope you guys have a great night.